Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see question number 8 to 13 of exercise 1A, which belongs to chapter 1 GST of class 10 ICSE. So we'll move on to the questions. So we'll see question number 8. In this, for the data given in question number 7, find the amount of bill for the interstate transaction. See, the data which is given as MRP is given and discount percentage is given, and here instead of GST they have given CGST. Usually when the CGST will be coming into the point when it is of intrastate transaction. Actually our question number 7 is in intrastate transaction. If you want to refer the question, you can check the video 3 of GST series. So that is in that question we have solved all these things for question number 7. And here, so first we need to find what is GST for this problem. If CGST is 6%, then what will be the SGST? It is also going to be 6%. Then obviously the GST percentage is going to be twice of the CGST, because GST is equally distributed between the CGST and the SGST. So what is GST percentage over here? It is 12, and here it's going to be 18 and here it's going to be 28, and it is 5 over here. So as we did in question number 7, we are going to put the MRP, and then discount amount we will find by making by using this percentages. So for the first item it is 30%, and for the second item 20%, like that. And what we will be having now, discounted value we will be getting. So from the discounted value only we are going to calculate the GST percentage. So it's exactly same as that of the 7th problem. So I don't want to repeat the problem. If you want, refer the video 3 of GST series. We'll move on to the next question. So in this question, a dealer in Mumbai supplies some identical item at the following price to a dealer in Delhi. So clearly it's what transaction? It's nothing but interstate transaction. So we need to find the total amount of the bill. Okay. So first we will calculate for each and every item. So the first item, if you want, you can name it, or else just keep it as such. So item 1, the rate per item, one unit is 180 rupees. Totally they have transferring 10 quantity. So I need to multiply 180 into 10. So we will get 1800. And the second item is unit price is 260 and total quantity is 20. So if we multiply, we will get 5200. And the third item is unit quantity 310 and total quantity is 30. So it's going to be 9300. And for the fourth item, the unit quantity is 175 and the quantity unit price is 175, but the total quantity is 20, right? Yes. So the total value is going to be, if we multiply, it's 3500. So what these things are? These are all the cost price of the items. So just I will mention the cost price over here. That means the original price. Now they are providing some discount also, but the discount is only for the second and the fourth item. There is no discount for first and third item. So for the first item the discount is 0. For the second item it's 20% of the total value, right? So what is the 20% of 5200? We need to find. So just I will find over here 20 by 100 into 5200. So if we cancel, we will be getting here as 1040. What is the discount for the second item? It's 1040. And for the third item, it's 0. And for the fourth item, 30% discount is there. So we'll find what is 30% of 3500. So 30% of 3500, it's going to be 1050. Yeah, 1050 it is. Yes. So we got the discount value also. Now we need to find after discount what will be the price. So I can consider this as selling price, right? So 1800 minus 0 is going to be 1800 only. 5200 minus 1040 is going to be 4160. And here 9300 minus 0 is 9300, and 3500 minus 1050 is going to be 2450. Yes. Now, what is the question? It's total amount, right? Total amount means what actually? What is total amount? So, total amount is going to be selling price plus GST. So, I need to find GST for each and every item. So, we'll come to this table. So, what is the GST? Oh, in the table, they have not given GST, but instead of that, they have given SGST. So, from SGST, you can find what is GST, right? So, what is GST percentage? If this is 9, it's going to be 18. 18, 18, and the last item is also 18 because all are having same SGST, so GST is also going to be same. So now it's easy for us to do the calculation since all are having same GST. Just add up all the selling price and find the 18 percentage of this total amount, and if we add that with this selling price total amount, we will be getting the total bill amount. Okay, so first we will add all these things. So if we sum up all these four quantity, we will get the answer as 17,710 rupees. Okay, so now this is what our overall selling price. So what we are going to use in the formula selling price is this only. Okay, overall selling price. So now I need to find the GST of the selling price, right? So we'll find the GST for this selling price. So GST amount is equal to how much percentage here? It's nothing but 18 by 100 into 17,710. So if we cancel over here, so it will become 18 into 177.1. So if I multiply, we'll get the value of 3,187.8. Okay, so our GST amount is how much? 3,187.8 paisa. And what is our overall selling price? It is 17,710. Then what our amount, total amount in the bill. Okay, so which is equal to total selling price plus the GST value. So what is total selling price? It is 17,710 and GST value is 3,187.80 paisa. So if we add this, we'll get the answer as 20,897.80 paisa. So this is the answer for question number 9. We'll move on to 10th question. So in the 10th question, one trader from Delhi provided the services to the other trading company in Kanpur. So obviously it's going to be actually from Delhi to UP. It's a interstate transaction. So we need to find the amount of bill. So same only, we'll start doing it. So what are the things? Services. See in the first column, it's the number of services. Okay. So number of services is 8 and for each service, the cost is 680. So obviously we need to multiply, then only we'll get the total amount. So 8 into 680. 8 into 680, you will be getting the answer as 5,440. And the second service, number of services 12. Type of service actually it is 12 into each cost of the service is 320 rupees. So if we multiply 12 into 320, we'll get the answer as 3,840. And the third type of service, total number is 10 and price for each service is 260. So it's going to be 2,600. And the fourth type of service, total service is 16 and cost per service is going to be 420. So the result is 6,720. Yes. Now we need to find what is there any discount? So no, they did not mention any discount, but GST percentage is different for all. So we need to find what is the GST value. So here there is no cost price or selling price. So this is what our amount. Okay. So now GST value I need to find for each and every amount. So what is the GST value for the first item? It is 5%. So first find 5 by 100. 5% of 5,440. And for this one is 12%. So 12 by 100 into 3,840, and here the third one is 18%. So 18 by 100 into 2,600, and the last one is 12%. So 12 by 100 into 6,720. So we are going to cancel so that we'll get the amount. So if we cancel over here, we'll get the value. GST value for the first item is 272. So, and if we cancel over here, so we will be getting the answer as 460.8, and I already cancelled it, so I'm writing directly the answer. So it's going to be 468, and for the last one we will get 806.4. So these are all the GST value. So what is the amount of bill? What is the amount actually? Amount is nothing but the price plus GST, right? Selling price plus GST. Here what is selling price? What is cost price? Only selling price, because there is no discount. So I'm just putting this as selling price. Selling price plus GST. So here what is this? 5,440 plus 272. So what is 5,440 plus 272? It is going to be 5,712. And the next one is 3,840 plus 460.8 equal to, this is zero point 0.8. So if we add up, we will get 4,300.8. And here the third item, 2,600 plus 468, which is equal to 3,068. And the fourth item, 6,720 plus 806.4 equal to 7,526.4. So we have calculated amount for differently, that means separately for each and every item. Now total amount of the bill, we need to add all these four, so we will get the total amount of the bill. So if you sum up all these total amount of every quantity, we will get the answer as 20,607.20 paise. So this is what the answer for this problem. This is the total amount of bill. The next question is the tax invoice of telecom services. Okay, so a telecom service bill is coming. The tax is also there. The tax invoice of telecom services in Surat shows cost of services provided. So service cost they have given as 750 rupees. Service cost is 750. So first we will write that service cost is 750 rupees, and what they are saying, the GST rate is 18%. So let the GST going to be 18%. So what is the question? Find the amount of bill. It's just a direct question, right? So amount is going to be is equal to cost of services. According to the problem, the formula will differ. So there and all we told selling price, selling price. Since it is service, I am writing as cost of service plus GST of 750, because that is what the cost of service, right? That is why I wrote. So cost of service is 750. What is the GST? It's 18% of 750. So I'm writing 18 by 100 into 750. So just cancel this one. So I can cancel this and here 2 times and here. So 750 plus 9 into 15. 135. So the final answer is going to be 885. So that's it, the answer. No need to do any more calculation. So this is the answer. We'll move on to the next question. So Ms. Pratima took health insurance policy for her family, okay, and paid 900 as SGST, okay. Find the total amount premium including GST paid by her for this policy, the rate of GST, okay, fine. So now it's about the health insurance, okay. So insurance, one person has paid the annual health insurance for her family, okay. So for insurance we will be paying the premium amount, okay. So with the premium amount she paid the GST also, correct. So together she would have paid one total premium amount, total amount premium, okay. So what is this total amount premium? It is including the GST. Along with premium, the GST cost also to be added, then only we will get this total amount premium. Now what are all the information we know? Just we'll write, they have mentioned the GST percentage as 18%, and they told us GST is going to be 900. So from this we can get, if SGST is 900, what about GST? It's twice of SGST. It's nothing but 1800. That's it. So we got the information now. What information we got? So GST percentage we know, and GST value also we know. Then I can easily find the premium. What is actually GST? It's going to be 18 percentage of what cost we will actually find the GST. According to this case, we can find the GST for premium only, right? For premium only, we are going to give the GST. When I'm paying the premium, I have to pay the GST of this premium. So I know what is the GST value, and I know what is the percentage for that GST value. Then it is easy to find the premium amount for me. So now GST is going to be 1800, and this 18 percentage I can write it as 18 by 100 into premium. So I can easily find now the premium amount, right? Yes, so I'm going to find what is premium amount. For easier sake, I'm making the premium amount as P, letter P. So 1800 into 100 by 18. So it's going to be P. Yes. So now 18 and 18 will get cancelled. So the premium amount is how much? It's 10,000. So I got the premium amount as 10,000, and I already got the GST value as 1800. Now what is this total amount premium I need to pay? It's nothing but premium plus GST. So what is our premium? It is 10,000 plus GST is going to be 1800. So what will be our final answer? It's 11,800. So this is the answer for this question. So the last question in this exercise 1A, Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. He took a room in a hotel for 2 days at the rate of 5,000 per day. Then what about 2 days? We will go along with the problem only. So for 2 days, the room rent. So 5,000 per day, then it's going to be 10,000 rupees. On the same day, his friend John also joined him. The hotel provided an extra bed. So with the same room, they are providing the extra bed. But for extra bed, 1,000 rupees per day. So for extra bed. So totally for 2 days, how much they are paying? It's 2,000. And what else? Yes, how much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill to Mr. Malik for both the days? So that's it. So totally how much amount for room rent? It's 10,000, and for the extra bed it's 2,000 for 2 days. So if I add it, I will be getting 12,000 as the total money. But I need to pay GST also for this money, right? Then only I'll get the total amount, because the question is you need to find what is the bill is given by the hotel to Mr. Malik. So what will be the bill? 12,000 plus 28 percentage of this 12,000. Then only I will be getting that bill, right? So yes, so 12,000 plus 28 percentage of 12,000. So just multiply 28 by 100 into 12,000. So find the answer. It's going to be 12,000. Plus if I multiply this, we will be getting 3,360 rupees. So if I add, I will be getting the total amount. But the question is only GST they are asking. They are not asking the total amount. Only how much GST they are going to charge for the person, Mr. Malik. So no need to add actually. Only this GST amount is enough. So find only this part. 28 percentage of 12,000. So which is going to be 3,360 rupees. So this is what our answer. Thank you.